Hey there, my friends. There are two crucial things you need to know about this tool set before you spend your money on it. I'm going to talk about those two things in just a second, but first, let's go over some of the features, what it's like to actually use this tool set. I'm also going to answer the most common questions on Amazon around the quality of the tools and the contents of the entire toolbox. There's a lot to go over, so let's get into it. Right now, I'm holding probably the star of the toolbox, which is the impact drill right here. This impact drill, I've used all of the big brands of impact drills many times, and I will tell you this drill does rival those drills. It is a lower volt caliber drill, just so you know. So it's meant for lighter work. This is gonna this is gonna exclude really large lag bolts into wood or any of that sort of stuff, but any standard screw, anywhere from 1 to 3 inch screws into normal materials like wood or pre-drilled concrete or stuff like that, this drill is gonna do a fantastic job. I'm not gonna go over every single feature of this drill. It has all the standard features of any impact drill that you could, or hammer drill that you could think of. You have your torque adjuster right here. You have your speed adjuster right here. You have your forward and backwards right here. In the middle is safety. You do have a light, a work light that comes on with the drill when you're using it. You have a detachable, rechargeable battery. It does only come with one battery, so just be aware of that. And it's a barrel style charger that just plugs into the battery right there. This battery takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes to recharge from dead, and it will last anywhere from probably 20 to 30 minutes of actual drill time. You can use any standard size drill bit in this gun. It's going to do everything that any other gun that you would buy of this style or caliber would do. The nice thing is it just comes with all the rest of this stuff. So I'm gonna pull you in close so you can see in detail what it comes with. And I'm also gonna talk specifically about my experience of which in this toolbox is high quality and which of it is just okay. So I'm gonna pull you closer, let's get into it. So let's start with the top compartment. All of your rigid steel tools are made really well. These are channel locks. There's not much to a good channel lock. I mean, pretty much every channel lock is gonna be great. What I do love is the grips. I think the grips are fantastic. I think you have a lot of latitude on the sides with these channel locks. They're easy to adjust. They're well made. Nothing really can go wrong with a pair of channel locks. So that's gonna be the same for your needle nose pliers. That's gonna be the same for your full range set of screwdrivers. These are nice, they're magnetic head. The grip is fantastic. There's a place for all of them to go. You also have this bit screwdriver as well, so you can use different bits inside of it, and I'll show you why that's important in just a second. You've got large Phillips, large flatheads, small Phillips, small flatheads. You have a level. This is a decent level. It's a plastic framed level. So right out of the box, it's gonna be super useful and pretty accurate. If for any reason this level ever gets dropped or bumped in a wrong way, it can be taken off level pretty easy. So just know that this is one of the weaker parts of the toolbox for sure, but I definitely did not buy this specifically for the level. It's nice to have in there, and I'm gonna keep it in there and keep it in good shape, and that way I can use it longer. The tape measure is another one that's just an okay piece of this. It's nice. It's like nice for around the house, hanging pictures or whatever. It's only a 10-foot tape measure. It's pretty small, and I'm sure the mechanics in it are fine, but this isn't gonna be your general, go out and build a house tape measure. So just know that know what you're buying in this kit, and some of the things are fantastic. Some of the things are a little bit lower level. You have a utility knife here. I love this utility knife. It's got a nice grip to it. It's easily adjustable, and it comes with multiple blades that have a specific spot in this box, which is so fantastic, because nothing worse than having a dull utility knife and not having the blades available that you need to adjust it. All right, let's go to the lower level here. You do have a very small keyhole saw or jigsaw. This is cool. I've never had one this small. I could see multiple uses for having one this small, and I think it's nice that it's inclusive. They thought of everything. They also came with additional blades here as this blade doles out. So I do love that they thought about having replacement blades for everything. As you wear through it. You obviously have some scissors. Then you have a socket wrench set. The socket wrench, I think, is really well built. It is a ratchet set, so you can change the direction on it. So you do have a full set of standard sockets that come with it as well. Each of those are labeled very clearly, and each one of them have their place. It also has the converter from the big socket thing to the smaller socket thing. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that says, but full set here. You also have a socket extender right here. So everything that you could need socket wise and built really well. This hammer is like a lower quality hammer. I'm just going to be honest with you. It's great for hanging pictures, you know, smaller jobs around the house, that kind of stuff. This is not a large swinging hammer for framing a house or even hitting in nails that are that big. So just know what you're getting, right? But it's lightweight. It's nice to have in here. You have a pair of scissors. You have Allen wrenches, a full set of standard Allen wrenches as well. This thing folds open just like that, so you can get all these Allen wrenches out. Every size that you could need is right there in those Allen wrench set. Another really cool little thing that they put in here is just a rubber cover for your hammer, just like that. So if you need to protect a surface or anything like that, you can throw that little rubber cover on the head of your hammer and use that as well. All right, so there's a drawer underneath here that I'm just gonna come and bring up on top because this is basically our drill set. So of course we had the drill here. We already talked about the drill. We have the charger for the drill. It's nice that the charger has a spot in the box, in my opinion. You have some metal tapping drill bits. Now these drill bits, I've used a couple of them so far. I haven't really put them to the test, but this is where I think might be some of the weaker links of the whole set. I don't know that for sure. I just am saying, you know, unless you spend a good amount of money on especially metal tapping drill bits or concrete tapping drill bits, you're probably going to get what you pay for in the drill bit set. So I definitely did not buy this for the drill bits. I bought it for the drill and for all of the sockets and the drill accessories that come with it that I'll talk about in just a second. You have metal tapping drill bits over here. You have standard drill bits here. These would be for your standard wood drilling right here, and they do a great job, no problem. And then you have concrete tapping drills. As you can see you can see that extra little crown on the top of these. That's for concrete or cinder block drilling, that kind of stuff. I'm very skeptical of these ones. I haven't used them yet, but I've done a lot of concrete drilling, and I'll just leave it at that. I'm a little bit skeptical of it. You also have a sink drill right here. This is to sink the head of your screw into whatever it is you're drilling into, which is nice to have. Now you have these extended drill bit, or sorry, let's start over here. You have socket drill bits, so standard socket drill bits. So you've got a 1/2-inch socket right there that you can easily pop into the drill and use that for any socket or bolts. Then you also have a wide variety of extended drill bits here. So you can see you've got flat heads, Phillip heads, you've got hex heads and star heads. And that's really nice because there's not, you know, you're going to be able to take care of almost any job just with this set if you need it extended. And then your unextended is over here, and you can see all of these flat heads, Phillips, squares, stars, larger Phillips and extenders and converters and all of that sort of stuff. This is such a robust set of bits, and you can just pull them out, pop them into the drill, and you're ready to go. I also want to mention that it does come with a quick drill replacement or a quick drill change sleeve here. So you actually put this into the drill, and then it has this hex head, and you can pop any of these bits, any of these bits, and any of these bits into this very quickly, change them out quickly. That's essential, especially when you're using different heads for different things. All right, let's just talk about the case really quick. So you have this great drawer at the bottom. All of it, the case is built really well. This is one of the reasons I wanted this set, is because it's actually useful. I can keep everything in here, and then I know what's missing if it's been taken out and put somewhere else, and I can find it and make sure that it gets back in its place. It is a hollow plastic like a lot of these sets are. It does have these nice locks sets right here. When you close it up, you can grab it by the handle. You can carry this thing around. It's great for cars, for houses, for workshops, whatever use, garages, whatever use that you have for it, that you want everything in one place. Oh, there is one thing I forgot to go over as well. There is a cool little screw container here too. So you've got drywall anchors and a few different little screws and nails for hanging pictures, stuff like that. The screws that come with it, not a big deal to me, but having this container that I can pop into it, and I can put my own screws and nails that I use most often in those compartments, that's huge for me as well. So my friends, I hope this has been helpful in deciding whether or not this is the right tool set for you, and knowing exactly what you're getting that's high quality and some that's, you know, kind of matches the price point. I think this is a huge benefit. I think it's a huge value for the price. And I hope it's as helpful to you as it has been to me. So thank you so much for watching.